Hello everyone, welcome to this video in which we are going to see a comparison between DLSS presets. Before we begin, I hope you put your like and your subscribe and put a comment. We are going to see if the RTX 3060 can handle the new DLSS. Let's begin. So guys, first thing we have to do is comparing the older DLSS with the native TAA fast. So we are not going to take a long here. First thing we are going to notice is the performance. Performance in the older DLSS in quality mode, so 720p upscales to 1080p, are around 71 frames. The native TAA are given around 64 frames. So what does that mean? That the DLSS quality has a better performance, but not sure if it has a better quality. Let's see, for example, this tree here in the native TAA, as you can see, it looks flat, so flat. In the DLSS, it's a little bit better. Let's say it's a little bit better, but it has a lot of shimmering. The shimmering in the older DLSS, it's so noticeable, as you can see here, in the hair of this animal. It's so shimmering, and the overall quality, let's see this, for example. As you can see, let's say it's closer to the native TAA, a little bit better. This is the first one. Now let's add the DLSS preset M at quality mode. There it is. Okay. Speaking about performance, it's getting around 60 frames average. So the new DLSS 4.5 at preset M quality mode are given less performance than the native TAA in the game. Why is that? Because we have the RTX 3060, but if you have a higher end GPU, for example, let's say 3080, or you have for a newer one like 5060 or so, you are going to get a better and better performance. Let's see the tree again. In the tree, I am now playing the video and there is almost no shimmering. It's clear that it's better. Let's remove the older TAA now face to face with the older DLSS. As you can see, it has less shimmering. The animal here, as you can see, it's better than the native TAA. Of course, it will be better because it's giving less performance. In this, there is no big difference, but you get the idea. It's better. It's clear that it's better. Now, to be realistic, we will try to get a better performance closer to the native TAA with the new DLSS 4.5. So what we are going to do now is go back, import the TAA, and get DLSS preset M balance. Now, as you can see, it's almost the same frame rate. Okay, so here we can compare the two side by side. Let's go to the tree because it is the easier thing you can compare. As you can see, this is a very big difference. Like, imagine we are here in the balance mode and the TAA just closed the war. Okay, now let's see DLSS preset M but on performance mode. On performance mode or ultra performance mode, we have a big problem in Red Dead Redemption 2. The clouds are becoming pixelated. I hope Rockstar implement the DLSS directly and fixes this. But for now, this is what we have. The tree, let's go to the tree back again. As you can see, let's say it's similar to the DLSS quality, the older DLSS. But TAA is so soft. Let's remove TAA now. Let's get the older DLSS. Okay, side by side, look at the hair. This is a big difference. Let's say here it can't realize that this is a hair. As you can see here, the hair of the animal actually so bad. And other thing, the older DLSS has ghosting problem. As you can see here, 3 spots. I don't know if you can see that, but to the eye it's so clear. In the newer DLSS, the ghosting problem is so less. Now let's do another thing, which is add the presets in at quality mode. So the preset L, it's the more demanding DLSS 4.5 preset. When we see here, okay, it's clear that the quality, it's so better, but the performance is not good at all. Imagine at quality mode, you lose around 12 FPS from the native AA. Imagine that. But of course, the quality, it's amazing. You cannot say anything about the quality when using this preset. No, there is almost no ghosting. So another thing I am going to do is get the older DLSS at quality mode and compare it to the preset and at performance mode. Why I'm going to do that? Because the performance are almost similar. As you can see, the performance are almost similar. This gets average around 70 frames, and it's almost 70 frames, let's say. And it's clear, I think, in the video, the older DLSS is so bad compared to the newer one. And let's say it's the same performance. As you can see, the shimmering in the trees are not that bad in the performance mode in the newer DLSS. And imagine we are using the performance preset. As I said, the clouds are not the best because this is not a native implementation in the game, and the ghosting problems from the older DLSS are less now. Let's make the video slower just to show you. Okay, there is the ghosting. As you can see, it's going from here. Okay, this has a lot of ghosting, but the newer presets, let's say, there is no ghosting. So this is the video. If you want to add the newer DLSS to RDR2, I made a video about how to download DLSS Swapper. Okay, after downloading DLSS Swapper, you go here and add the game. It's so easy. Go to Reddit and download the latest one. Here you can choose the preset and close. Okay, this is so easy. Everyone, thank you for watching this video. I hope you put your like if you like the video, of course, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for new and better videos. Sorry for my bad English. See you in the next one.